Hey everyone, today's November 27, 2020, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. And I hope all of you had a great Thanksgiving. Today is Black Friday, and I'm finally getting my new equal-length header installed on my BRZ. I'm at my buddy Tony's shop right now, and he custom made this equal-length header for me. And I'll show you guys what it looks like in just a moment. I'm about to go in, and we're gonna do the install, and I'm really excited for this, because right now my JDL unequal-length header I have on my BRZ has a leak in it, and my car's been losing power, and it hasn't been sounding right. And I've never had an equal length header on my car in about 3 years. So I'm so used to the unequal length. I'm excited to get this on right now. I'm gonna head in his shop. I'll show you guys what the header looks like, and hope you guys enjoy this video today, and let's get going. All right guys, I'm at Tony's shop right now. I'll show you guys the equal length header in just a second here. It's working on an FRS right here. I had a spun bearing on it. Engine's completely out. And I'll show you guys the header in just a moment. My car's on the lift, and I'll show you guys exactly what's going on. Perfect. Alright, so this is the header that Tony made me here. And I showed you guys this in my previous video, a couple pictures, and it looks really good. In the pictures it looked really light, and everything looks really smooth on here. Quality looks good, and like I said, this is my first equal length header I'm going to have on the BRZ, and I should get a little bit of power gain from that, and the sound's definitely going to be different, but I'm ready for a change. So we'll go over how this was made and the benefits I'll get from this equal length header.
So here's our TMP header. So basically what we do is we take a 2017 and up header, and we go ahead and decat it. So we have a jig, where the header goes on and gets bolted down. We go ahead and cut the catalytic converter out to increase flow. Just measuring the pipe diameter, the 2017 and up was, a little bit bigger than the earlier models, so they actually flow better, and actually all the bends are better as well. So they're very comparable to higher end headers. So, once we cut the catalytic converters out, we can actually get them to flow really good. So it's a really good bang for your buck, And then after that, we give it a thermal coating on top. So it'll look fly, and it'll perform just as good.
You guys, under the BRZ, getting a quick look at the header here. Alright guys, so really quick, this is my old header. So on the flex pipe here, you can see that. There's holes, you can see that right there and right here. Check engine lights on, because I have to erase these codes, then put my new tune for my equal length header on my BRZ. Alright, I'm going to erase these two. Alright, on the open flash tablet, erasing my equal length header stage 2 tune. I'm loading my stage 2 equal length header tune right now. So right now, I'm tuning my BRZ with the equal length header stage 2 tune. I will fill up with E85 later today, and I'll retune the car for E85. But once this tune is loaded, we'll do our first drive with my equal length header. This isn't a cold start, but let's see how it sounds. Oh wow, it sounds completely different, but it does sound good though. Let's back out of here and see how it sounds on the road. Alright guys, so I have my new equal length header, custom made by Tony on my BRZ, and I drove it out of the lot just now, and it sounds and feels completely different. But I'll do my first pull in just a moment here, but really quick, I want to hear how it sounds when I rev the car at a standstill. And open the window, and let's rev it out. Oh, it sounds so good. All right, let's see. Let's do 5,000 RPMs. Almost 7,000 RPMs. Wow. I'll do a couple revs. I'll put the camera down and see how it sounds, but it sounds completely different than my equal length header. And my equal length header had 2 really big exhaust leaks in it, and it was definitely draining some power. It's gonna feel really quick right now. get this first real acceleration right now. Oh, whoa. Oh my God. My car feels completely different right now. It sounds good as well, wow. God, the car pulls so much harder right now, and it feels like a different car, to be honest with you. With my old header, I probably had those exhaust leaks for a long time, and I probably got used to them. And that's why this car feels so fast right now with this new equal length header. Oh my God, wow. Jesus. No exaggeration at all. My car feels completely different. It is insane. It honestly feels more alive right now. And I know the equal length header is supposed to give me definitely more power, but it's pulling harder on the lower and high end right now. And the sound. Don't get me wrong, I love the unequal length header sound of the BRZ FRS 86 and Subarus in general. But the equal length header has more of a refined tone to it. It's definitely not as loud as my previous header, but it sounds so good. And I'm honestly falling in love with this car all over again. Oh my God. Jesus. The pulls are so hard right now. It feels so good, and it sounds so good as well. Alright guys, I'm going to do an acceleration at a standstill with my new header. I'm going to ease into it and I'm going to try to get a nice acceleration here. Whoa! My car is so much faster right now. The header was really well done. It was honestly awesome. The welds were really nice on it. The quality was phenomenal. The coating he put on it looks so good, and the coating is to protect it from the weather, and it looks amazing. And I can't recommend it enough. If you guys are interested in a custom header for an awesome price, please reach out to Tony at TonyMotive. I'll put his information in the description down below. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. I am honestly in love with my new header. It makes my car feel completely different, and I couldn't be happier with this. My next video is gonna be a full exhaust video with my new header, and I'm so excited for it. So what I'm gonna do is put a GoPro on the back of the car, do some in-car footage, and I'll do some outside footage as well. So you'll be able to see exactly what it sounds like in and outside of the car. And I know the lighting's not great in here, but my new side skirts will be coming in really soon, and they're actually really aggressive, and it's definitely gonna match my front lip and the front end of my BRZ with my TRD canards and this aggressive lip. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new custom equal length header as of right now. Like I said, I honestly love it. And I'll show you guys more clips of it in my next video. And eventually I will do a point of view video with this header as well. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.